Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. In this video I'll show you how to set up Gemini Live for real-time assistant. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now select your profile, enter settings and now go to Gemini. Select Google Assistant features in Gemini. Digital Assistant from Google and select Gemini instead of Google Assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.